So you have a YouTube channel and you're wondering, why is no one watching? For some people, you post every single day. You are so consistent and we do not understand why your channel is not growing. Or maybe there's nothing you're doing right. Or maybe YouTube is not for you. Is that the category you fall under? If it is, today I'm going to be giving you the secret sauce and what you can do to grow your YouTube channel. Yes. 1 2 1 2 mic check. Hey guys, we are back and we are better than ever. If this is your first time here, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Fumi and you're welcome to Fumi Helps. On this channel, figure out a way to use tech, social media and photography to make your life and your business better. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that affects almost everyone that has a YouTube channel, which is no one is watching my channel, nobody is clicking. Those that clicked are not coming back. Now, the number one reason why no one is watching your YouTube channel is what? Quality. How is the quality of your video? A lot of the time, our YouTube gurus talk about start with what you have, start where you are, blah blah blah, this that. The honest truth is, start with what you have sometimes doesn't work if you do not use what you have properly. Well, let's just assume you have an older phone with a camera that's not as nice, and that's what you're starting your YouTube channel with. The best advice and the best way to be able to get the best quality for that phone will be to use it with natural light outdoor, and then you get the full effect and the full quality of your device. Now, if you take that phone and then you use it indoors, obviously you're going to get crappy results. Your videos are going to be blurry, they're not going to be sharp, they're not going to be clear. The quality of your video in the long run affects whether people come back to watch or not. Let's just assume you're just scrolling through YouTube and then you see this video and then you see this other video, thumbnail A and thumbnail B. You're obviously not going to click this one because the quality of this one is not as nice as the quality of this one. Now, this one piques your interest because you're like, wow, everything looks nice, everything is pretty, everything is this, everything is well put together. This person knows what they're talking about. Do you get it? So that is something you need to bear in mind. If your YouTube, your views are dropping, your views are not growing, you've been on the same number for a long time, guys, I think you need to work on the quality of your video. Now, the second reason people might not be watching your video is your title and your thumbnail are not intriguing enough. You guys know I have a second channel where I talk about lifestyle and basically I do my daily vlogs. So I tested out a technique on that channel. I made one video where I did the normal basic a day in the life of this and that, and put up a cute thumbnail and just left it at that. I did a second video where what I put up was a calabash under the bed. I took a picture of me raising up the bed and then put like a dummy calabash right at the bottom of the bed. I edited it basically. Guys, I got at least 100% more views on the channel where I put the calabash and did all that drama, as opposed to the channel where I was just being normal and basic. So that's something we need to bear in mind. No matter the type of video or the niche that you are in, you need to be able to catch people's attention. And the only way to catch people's attention is to give them a banging thumbnail and title. Give them something to think about. You need to do something that's going to pique the interest of people. Everybody has I think I'm even guilty of that as well. Everybody has a very short attention span. Yes, we would like to support you. Yes, we would like to watch your video, but sometimes there's nothing for us to watch. Like, there's nothing drawing us in. Like, you need to pull the rope. That video I did about the calabash, at the end of the video, I did speak about the calabash. From the beginning of the video, I already had it planned that I was going to talk about this calabash. So when I was shooting, taking my thumbnail and all that, it was already a strategy. On that video is one of my most viewed video. Now, compared to my other videos where I'm just like, oh, a day in the life of a mom of two, a day in the life of a this, how to do this, that video stands out every single time. Now, something you need to understand is that video is the same normal structure, edits, the same normal things I do in my normal videos. That's what I did in that video. It's just the title and the thumbnail drew people in. So you need to find a way to draw people in with your title and your thumbnail. The quality has to be nice to make a title and thumbnail, you can use Canva. If you'd like me to do a video where I talk more about Canva, please let me know in the comment section below. So now the next reason why your channel might not be growing, nobody's watching your channel, is because you are inconsistent. Like me, guys. I know I have been inconsistent on this channel. I don't even have any excuses anymore. At this point, I'm just like, see, take me as I am. But that is not what is going to help to grow your channel. If I have been consistently posting on this channel, by now if you don't reach 1 million, obviously I don't know if that is possible, but by now the channel would have grown more. Let me break it down for you. When you post more consistently on YouTube, the YouTube algorithm basically takes it that this person is very serious, this person knows what they're doing, this person knows what they're talking about, and so it promotes your video. The YouTube algorithm is not a human being, it is a machine. It's not going to pick up a channel that posts maybe once in 5 months or once in 6 months. It's going to pick up a channel that posts consistently and posts consistently about the same topics. It's consistency in thumbnails, consistency in titles, consistently in types of videos, consistency in the quality of your videos are very, 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 very important. If you have upped your quality, then try to post twice a week. I would advise on YouTube, ideally twice a week is the best and the only way to go. Anything where you are posting less than 2 times a week, guys, I don't think your channel is going to grow as much as it possibly can, because from experience and from what I have learned, it takes at least 2 videos a week for your channel to be able to ride that YouTube algorithm, which is everybody's dream. Now, the number 4 reason why your channel might not be growing is because of lack of focus and direction. YouTube algorithm was basically created to get more people to watch YouTube for a longer time. Now, the only way that they saw that they could get people to watch YouTube for a longer time was for them to make sure that when somebody comes on YouTube, they are able to quickly pick up what the person likes and then consistently give them what they like. Now, that is why when we advise you on how to grow your YouTube channel, we tell you to niche down. Because if someone comes on YouTube, for example, and then all they want to learn about is how to grow their YouTube channel, if my channel pops up, YouTube is going to, after watching my channel, after watching my video on how to grow your YouTube channel, YouTube is going to look for another video that talks about something similar. For example, how to change your title and thumbnail, because that is related to how to grow your YouTube channel. If on my channel there's no other video that relates to that topic that the person is searching for or that the person likes to watch, YouTube's algorithm is going to move on to the next related video, even though it is not on your channel. So that is why I always advise people to niche down. Niching down is basically having a channel focus, a channel plan, a channel target, where you know that this is what this channel is about and this is what we talk about on this channel. That's why sometimes when you post and nobody is watching your videos, because your videos are only popping up to those that are subscribed to your channel, and after they have watched it for a day or 2, because people post a new video, your subscriber tab is moving, so your video has gone down to the bottom, or it has even left people's subscriber page. Your videos are not coming up in search, and the only way your videos can come up in search is if your video is niched down, where YouTube knows exactly what you are talking about and they are able to show your videos to those people that are looking for what you are talking about. Now, even if you have like a vlog channel, what I always advise is have a topic on your vlog channel. For example, a day in the life of a mom of 3. Have specific topics that are always in your thumbnail and thumbnails and your title, because that is also going to help your channel. Now, the 5th and the most important reason why your channel might not be growing is because you do not have the secret sauce. But the secret sauce basically is confidence. Guys, for you to grow on YouTube, you have to be confident, even if you are talking rubbish. Wait a minute. I think I lost my confidence in the 6th dimension. Ooh. But I'm here right now. I don't even know if I'm saying the words right, but see, I'm confident. Like, I am singing it in a way that you believe I'm singing it right. From all of that, I'm sure that you get my point. That is the secret sauce, and that is the only way for you to be able to grow your YouTube channel. In whatever it is that you focus on YouTube, you have to do it with confidence. People have to believe you that this person knows exactly what it is they're talking about. That is the secret sauce on YouTube. That is the secret way that you can grow your channel. These people need to be able to believe you know exactly what it is you're talking about. If they stick to your channel, they will be able to learn it. So guys, if you are not confident on YouTube, try to pick up yourself, try to be more confident. I think I have a video that talks about how to be more confident in front of the camera, especially if you're an introvert and you're shy like me. I know you would never notice. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.